Ensure where to declare that prize money, interest from a fixed deposit, or even dividend income on your ITR1. Let's demystify other income for you. First, understand what qualifies as other income. This is essentially any income that doesn't fall under salary, house property, or business and profession on your ITR1. Common examples include interest earned from savings accounts, fixed deposits, or even cash prizes from lotteries or crossword puzzles. Now, let's get to the reporting. Log into the income tax filing portal and navigate to the ITR1 form. You'll find a section clearly labeled Income from Other Sources. Within this section, you'll see various subcategories. If you received interest from a bank, you'll typically select interest on savings account or interest from deposits. For lottery winnings, choose the relevant option like winnings from lottery. Carefully enter the amount of income you received in the corresponding field. It's crucial to be accurate. You can usually find this information on your bank statements, Form 16A for TDS on interest or winning receipts. If you have multiple sources of other income, you'll add each one as a separate entry. For example, if you have both savings account interest and lottery winnings, you'll report them individually under the appropriate categories. Once all your income, including other income, is correctly reported, remember to review your entire return thoroughly before submitting. Accurate reporting ensures a smooth tax filing process. Once all your income, including other income, is correctly reported, remember to review your entire return thoroughly before submitting. Accurate reporting ensures a smooth tax filing process.